This demonstration will walk you through the process of setting up your class calendar. So we're here at my Year 9 IST page as created in the previous tutorial. So right now, as administrators, we get this add new event icon or hyperlink. So we'll click that and it will request more information such as the title. So in this case I'm going to write last day of school, and I'm going to indicate that to be on the 18th of the 12th 2009, and I'll give it a time of 2 p.m. Description, last day of academic year, and I'll just keep the event type at none this stage, and I'd only tick teacher only if I want the teacher to have sole access to this event. In this case I want all students to have access, to all my members. So I'm going to leave that unticked or unchecked, and then I'm going to click save. Okay, so if I scroll down I will see last day of school. I created it on a previous occasion, so I'm just going to delete that first entry. So I'm back to the one that I just created now. So you can see you've got the entire month listed there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my classes page. So I'm going to click on classes and then click on Year 9 IST once I've added that, and if I scroll down I can see the 10 days. Now the way that I displayed the 10 days after the creation date is I clicked on the little arrow at the top right hand corner of this object, and then I selected configure, and then I said I want to display events for the next month, all days, and I want 10 days to be displayed at a time, and I want the number of events per day to be 5. And then I'll click save, and if I go back to view calendar I will see that listed. If I go back to my classes I'll only see the first 10 pages from the 13th to the 23rd, and then I'll be able to see my event the last day of school listed amongst those. So I'll go back to classes and Year 9 IST, and there are my calendar events. The only one listed there is the last day of school being the 18th, and if you had events on the other days they would also be displayed in like manner. So that's all for the calendar tutorial, and the next tutorial will discuss how to add journal entries, images and text.